Good morning, everybody. This is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Well, I'm at my first stop, and it's now 6:37. By the time I got on the road after gassing up, it was 4:15, and I'm in Blytheville, Arkansas. Anyways, I'm headed back out on the road. I had to make a quick potty stop. That coffee just went through me. So, I'll see you on the next stop. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh boy. I hope it ain't closed for me. That's where I gotta go, is Little Rock. Almost there. Just a few minutes ago, about 3 exits back, there was a cop on the side of the road. He got in front of me. He stayed the speed limit and I stayed right behind him. Anyways, he gets off on the exit and I'm watching my rear view mirror. He turned around and came right back on. He followed me till just this last exit. God, I hate that. It just slowed me way down. Anyways, I'm on my way to Little Rock next. That'll be my probably my next stop. Because I'll need to get gas by then. See? It's getting low. Anyways, I gotta concentrate getting on. So, talk to you later. Well, folks, I'm here at T-Rex. And it's getting gas. Further south I go, the higher the gas prices get. Here it's 239. When I left home it was 219. So I'm getting some gas here, and I'll see how the gas prices are on the way down into Texas. Figured Texas would be cheaper due to the fact because it's oil country. We'll see. Alright, be back in a bit. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm still in Arkansas. I'm about 40 miles outside of Little Rock, headed toward Texas. So, it's time for me to get back on the road. It is now 8:54. My GPS says I should arrive. Well, hold on a second here. Let me get out of this. Oops, wrong place. I was looking for gas stations. Come on now. Should be there. It'll tell me here in a second. It says at 1:14 p.m. That's with no more stops. I'll probably do one more stop, so it'll be probably around 2 p.m. By the time I get there. So I'm doing good on time, and I'm not doing that bad on gas. My gas mileage is 25.2 average. So that's not bad with this Ford Escape. Alright, I'll see you guys at the next stop, which will be in Texas somewhere. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. Well, where's the big Texas sign? Where's the welcome to Texas? I'm already at the first exit. Here it comes. Welcome to Texas. Texarkana, USA. Gonna be stopping here in a few minutes. Alright, be right back. Well, I made it to Love's Truck Stop. Here just east. I guess I'm going east. east of Texarkana. There was no way I am not going to stop in the city if I can avoid it. That's just too many exits. Alright, anyways, next stop is at Cooper's Lake State Park. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.
I'll clip it in here. Yeah. And then,
how do you keep 4 grown men busy? Pretend you don't know how to put up a tent.
yeah, but we don't need it.
And they're such gentlemen.
I can't say what I'm
Hey,
thinking.
I said I was going to take advantage of being this old.
I can't say it on Facebook. How many monkeys does it take? Bleep.
Yeah.
A football?
Together in the video.
It did. They pop right back in. They curved the curveball because they give you these 2 little curves.
Yeah.
Alright, I can get my big knees up on.
Job was that.
Okay. I gotta say who's all in the video. So
Bottom one first.
that is Jeff from RV Ashes in April. That's Papa Texas down there next to him. That is Dennis, the other half of Gypsy Pair. Chad's over here. So he's supervising. And Margie's just sitting here giggling as ever. She's part of RV and Ashes in April. And of course, this is
Hi, y'all. Debbie.
Debbie, thank you. Debbie from
Gypsy Bear.
Gypsy Bear. Ah, blooper.
They love those.
I know it.
Down to this elbow.
Okay, let's see.
That way.
see.
Progress.
Hey, it's getting up there.
And then lock
You're on a time frame here.
We got to do the crawl to get in there, though.
it in here that way. Get up there and tilt it.
Oh, I hate to tell you about your tent. See all that screen? That's
Oh,
going to
no,
bring
no,
in
no.
cool air.
Yes. I got a heating blanket. I got a heater. That's why I need to be near this electrical outlet.
Oh, okay.
I've got comforter. Yeah. Yeah, that's supposed to be the rain guard down there.
Then don't take any, if you're going to put a heater in there, don't take anything extra in there. You don't want anything
No.
falling over near your heater.
No. Yeah. My car's going to be a lot of my storage.
I have an extra blanket.
Oh, I think I got 3 with me.
The only thing extra I would do if you had it is to put something over underneath the that rain fly, because that will keep the air in from escaping, because your rain fly is not going to go flat against the tent. There's a gap.
Well, there's going to be some, I can't get it too hot in there or I won't breathe.
Oh, okay.
No, so I do like cool air. No,
Well, you'll
so,
get some.
but I'll get some cool air.
If it's going to get down into the 40s,
Yeah.
you'll get some.
I slept last night without my heater, and I was 42. I was 42.
Progress.
It came on first thing in the morning.
And you go down and hook into the circle.
Look at this. They're just doing a fine job.
Yes, they are.
It should hold the.
Yeah, but I don't see where it's putting
It's
in.
gonna go right here.
Well, that's what I'm wondering about.
No one got the instructions.
Yeah, I know. Instructions? Who needs instructions? Toss those things. Oh, Chad needs them.
Why
Check.
Chinese?
Chad's the only one that thought to go to the instructions. Isn't that typical male thing?
Gotta bring it all forward. There you go.
Well, look at that.
It looks good. Thank you, guys.
That's pretty. And then stake it out later when you get it set.
Yes. Now we just got to wait for Billy from Strong Adventures to show up. Billy and Rhonda. So I can get my tarp down.
You could go ahead and put your mattress in there and blow it up, because it'll still be able to carry it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But watch you do that. Turn it this way so I can see.
Guess what? Another video coming up. Hold on. And it's gonna be a big blooper video.
I'll curl that corner. That's fine.
Where'd it go? Okay, I don't see it now. There it is. Not sure if you can see this, folks, but it's a big ass spider right there, building a web. See if I can get a little bit better picture here. Right there, right there.
You're going to jump down from there and go to the ground again in a minute, and you're going to go flying.
Oh yeah. No, he's doing it in a circle right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at now. You're getting really good video of this. Oh my word. Well, they say in Texas everything is bigger.
He's a pretty good sized spider.
Yeah.
But he's not.